September feels like a new beginning, just like the leaves change their color. Hi, I'm Sana Asad. I'm an artist, art educator, and holistic art therapy practitioner. Today, I invite you to pause with me, to reflect, and to create in our own mini journals. If you don't have one, quickly grab one online, buy, or just use any scrap papers you have at home. No rules, no pressure, just a gentle flow of colors, thoughts, and soul. I'll begin with wet on wet technique using acrylic papers but going to apply watercolors on top of it. This is a mini journal where I will be using different mediums, whatever comes in my mind and whatever feels connected at that moment. Today I'm inclined towards watercolor. So dip your brush in water and let the paper breathe. Now add the colors that feels calm to you. Maybe green, soft yellows, or gentle red. Notice how they flow. Don't rush, just like life. Every layer needs its own time. Visualize a horizon. Add a few free dabs of color, then wait, let it dry. As women, we are often told to keep going. Chores after chores, task after task. But if we don't pause, everything mixed together, just like watercolor running wild. It turns messy, emotionally and physically. I know this because I've lived it. There are days, even months, when I forgot to stop. I keep pushing through until I realize my body, mind are heavy. Like colors muddle into brown, that's exactly feels like. But then something awakens me. A small nudge, a podcast, a conversation, a walk outside. For me, Mel Robbins Podcast has often been that voice that says, wake up. You matter. Your pause matters. Art does the same thing. It whispers. Take a breath. Create a layer. Let it settle before the next one. The other day I step outside and notice a single yellow leaf laying on the pavement. It wasn't the brightest leaf or the most perfect one, but it caught my eyes. It reminded me that autumn is the season of letting go. My mom always tell me this story at this time of the year. There was a tree at the edge of a small garden who works day and night, holding up its branches, feeding its leaves, shading the ground beneath. The tree was so busy being useful, it forgot to notice how tired it had become. When autumn came, the tree rested. It didn't want to let go. The leaves clung tightly, heavy with the weight of the season. But slowly, one by one, they began to fall. At first, it felt like loose. But then the tree realized something. With every leaf that fell, it grows lighter. It could breathe again. I was too young to understand this concept, and I always listened this story as a story of a tree. But now at this age and this time of my life, I realize the message behind. I think we are all like that tree. We hold on so much responsibilities, routines, expectations. We don't want to let go. But autumn teaches us that release is not weakness, it's wisdom. When I painted this journal page, I let the water spread freely across the paper. I drop in gentle colors, the one that calms me, that makes me feel whole. And as I watched them flow, I thought about the thing I need to release: the perfectionism, the rushing, the constant noise. The page became a small horizon of color, quiet, layered, soft. And just like the tree, I felt a little lighter. So, as you create your own page today, I invite you to ask yourself, what is one leaf I'm ready to let go of? And when you find it, let your brush carry it away. Because the truth is, even in letting go, we are preparing for new beginnings. And that's the beauty of autumn. It reminds us that letting go isn't the end. It's the quiet doorway to something new. As you close your journal today, hold on to this truth. You don't have to carry everything. You can release, breathe, and trust that life has seasons. So let your colors settle, let your page rest, and let your heart remember. Every ending is only making space for the new beginning. Thank you so much for creating with me. Until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your colors, and take care of your soul. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel.